For the past week, I've been experiencing something strange. I keep hearing the main door of our house opening and closing. I expect to see my dad or one of my mom's friends who often visit, but when I check, there's no one there. I've also been hearing the doorbell ring. When I asked my mom if someone was at the door, she said she didn't hear the doorbell. I've checked the door myself and found no one there. Even my mom asked me yesterday what was going on with me and why I kept mishearing the door sounds. I don't drink, do drugs, or take any medications that might cause me to hallucinate. This has happened 3 to 4 times this week. I'm losing my freaking mind.